Hello guys, so let us continue further study on the smart 3D. Today we will start with the modeling of equipment. So the equipments are done with the help of data sheets. Data sheets are nothing but mechanical data sheets. Mechanical data sheets are provided by the mechanical engineer. So as per the mechanical data sheet, in the mechanical data sheet that they will be giving length, diameter, width, nozzle size, nozzle rating, nozzle projection and many more parameters of an equipment. With the help of data sheet, you can model the equipment as per the dimension of the equipment in any software. After modeling the equipment, any equipment, you should place the equipment at right coordinate. For placing the equipment at right coordinate, you require a document called plot plan or equipment location plan. So this is also one pillar of the piping design engineering, where when you model any equipment, you should be able to place that equipment to the correct position in the plan where it belongs to, and that coordinates are defined with respect to east, north and elevation. So easting, you can see in the arrow, easting is this side, northing is that side, and elevation is wherever you are looking at that elevation. So I hope you all are aware of the coordinate system. It is something, it will act as east as x, north as y, elevation as z direction. When you see here, the equipment, as the equipment moves along this direction is positive east. So opposite, if it is moves in this direction, so it is, so if it is moves in this direction, it is the east, and if say suppose it is moves in this direction, it is, this is the east, okay, and this is the west. Same wise, this is the south and this is the north. If you try to move this equipment here, the northing goes on increasing. If the same, if you try to move on this equipment, this one, northing will reduce or south will increase. But basically we define the coordinates with respect to east, north, elevation. How do you know where the equipment is present right now? Okay, so right now if you want to look at, there is a particular the tool. For example, let us take the exchanger in this criteria. So I will go to the define workspace, and I will only keep the pump. I will take out the exchanger, click OK. So now I will click on fit, select the equipment and fit. Okay, so now how to check the where the equipment is present? There are several methods to check the equipment. location. Okay, so this is just a brief introduction about the equipment, and to know where the equipment is located, so there is a tool here, as I told you, that is this tool is called a pinpoint tool. So I forgot to introduce these two tools, these two and this one. So I will take this opportunity in this equipment, on this equipment, to check what is these tools are do. So before that one, as we are dealing with the equipment modeling, let me go to the, if you start doing the equipment, go to task, go to equipment and furnish. Now let us click this one first. So this one actually it says Smart Sketch 3D toolbar. You can say what are these toolbar says. The toolbar says this one is the center, this one is where the intersection, this is the parallel, perpendicular, this one is the nozzle, wherever the nozzle this one will pick, the nearest point is a parallel, means axis point, means along the axis, along the east, okay, along the elevation, along the north, okay. So that is the thing. If you click here, so this if you uncheck here, though that point will not take as a design point, okay. We will see these things while doing a practical, okay. So this is over. What is this one? This one is a measure. To measure the distance, if we use. Here you can see there are a lot of things. So here this one first we use measure distance between 2 points. Click it. First point. Second point. It will give a dimension, that is towards the east it is a 1473. Here also you can see 1473 as a distance towards east. East is this direction. So means along this direction it is 1473 mm, and northing is 0, because you can see when I see in the top view, so northing I am not changing the northing here, I only measuring along this direction, that is the east direction. So north is 0 here, north is 0 here, 0 minus 0 0, and also the elevation. I am not measuring the height up and down, I am measuring in the same vertical elevation, so that is why elevation is 0. For example, if I measure from this point to this point, so it will say, let me measure again, pick a correct point, so corner to corner. So you can see here, now easting is 0, but northing is 533 mm, that is along the north it is a 533. Since I have measured from this direction to this direction, it shows minus 533. If you measure from this direction to this direction, it is 530. One or the other way, it is same only. I hope you have understood this tool better now about a measure. So this one, again if you click measure here, if say I will have a let us check, let me copy one more pump here. So I will click, let us say we will finish this video here. We will see it in the next video about more about a measurement tool. So yeah, thank you.